The Sundarbans forest is the largest block of tidal mangrove in the world. It stretches across the border of India and Bangladesh in the Ganges Delta. In the Sundarbans, men have gradually cleared the mangrove and colonized these islands situated below sea level. Living here is a constant struggle against the elements. In order to prevent salt water from flooding the cultures, as well as to protect their home, the villagers have no other choice but to build embankments that constitute the lifelines of the Sundarbans. In May 2009, the Sundarbans were in the path of the storm Ayla. Everything was destroyed. In the aftermath, local people noticed that the sea walls protected by residual mangroves had better resisted the storm.
The Indian NGO News and the Livelihoods Fund therefore initiated a vast afforestation program.
Their objective is to plant 60 million mangrove trees, over 6,000 hectares, a considerable job, requiring tremendous enthusiastic impetus. At the end of the project, these young mangroves will protect the villages. Thanks to their biomass productivity, they will also store 700,000 tons of carbon dioxide, whilst promoting biodiversity, and so the renewal of natural resources for the population.
We are all doing this to save the Sundarbans. We do participate because without forest we cannot survive. And we are poor people, you know. This project is also important as we get some jobs and new incomes.